Rainy days in Seoul.
Monsoon season is not stopping. Hi, I'm Nichola.
Hi, I'm Hugh.
And we are
MKH.
And we are an intercultural family living in Seoul, South Korea. Last week was our son's summer vacation, so he didn't have daycare for a week, but we didn't actually go anywhere, did we?
Because of something.
The way the world is, we thought better just to stay home, have a staycation at home.
But it rained all week.
Yeah. Good morning. Good morning. Hello. What are you doing? These new ones. Wow. This is 엄마말, isn't it?
Mama,
We're learning 엄마말. English.
mama, good time, mama.
Oh, it's all 엄마말, all English, isn't it? More water. Did Mummy change the water?
Papa.
Is that his teeth there?
이거 뭐야?
Oh, I think that's his fin.
무슨 날이죠?
So this is how you're doing it. Check if it's raining outside.
노란다.
Well, this looks like rain here.
노란다.
I think it is raining.
노란.
It's because you want to go out for a walk, don't you? I think it is raining though. If it stops raining, we can go out for a walk. But it says rain all day today. You want to put water in this one? Okay, we can do that in a little bit, okay? Big water? Okay. Monsoon season in Korea is usually not this long, right?
Right.
Like, I feel like in other years it was like a few days of rain, like you might get a week of rain like this, but this has been weeks and weeks of rain.
But not just a little bit raining, like it's so
torrential rain. So unfortunately there has been flooding, there's been landslides, some people have lost their lives. So it is really worrying, and the forecast still is just like rain, rain, rain.
Yeah, it's still not finished
It
yet.
hasn't finished. A few days ago the Han River got really high, and some of the parks along the river flooded as well. I saw some of the convenience stores. Some of the convenience stores actually float though, like, so they rise up with the flood waters. But that has been really worrying. And I was down at the river and a siren went off. I wasn't sure if they were saying like it's about to flood, like run, or if they were saying like the parks are being closed, but like I showed you the footage and you're like, they're just saying the park's gonna shut.
So you need to leave.
You need to leave. So it was still a little bit of a panic situation because they were worried that that water was going to like, just get higher and all those parks would flood.
공원 관리 사무실에서 안내 말씀 드리겠습니다. 잠시 후 1시 15분에 영원 나들목 6관문을 닫을 예정이오니 공원에 계신 시민께서는 속히 공원 밖으로 이동해 주시기 바랍니다. 다시 한번 안내 말씀드립니다.
We also got stuck in the rain in the car trying to get home, right?
Yes, so we went to the mall and then we were coming back and like suddenly so much raining and then the GPS sent us like wrong way. It was the right way, but like it was blocked. So we have to drive all the way back
It
and
took
then
like 2 hours.
and usually it takes only 15 minutes, but it took like 2 hours. But while we are driving, so many cars and like so much raining, so couldn't really see where. So we put the hazard.
Everyone had the hazard lights
hazard
on
light
as well.
on, and then we had to go really slowly.
Yeah, it took a long time, and some of the roads that you would normally go, they loop down near the Han River. So the roads get low because they're going sort of, you know, near where the parks are. They were underwater, and so the GPS was go this way, and we're like, it's blocked. Literally, the road is blocked because the water has risen that high. So the rain has eased a little bit yesterday and today, and yesterday late afternoon the sun did come out a little bit and the floodwaters were slowly going down, but I don't know, there's still so much rain forecast, so we will see, I guess. What did you see? A crocodile? Ako? Oh, is that a crocodile? Oh no! Oh no! Oh, scary? Okay, it's okay. It's okay. Careful. Are you scared? Okay. Will you stay in the stroller, okay? Oh yes, Appa will pull the agor, okay? Oh, Appa will get in the water and pull the agor? Okay.
Thankfully, we are not a, first level.
We're not in the
So-
semi basement.
Yeah, we are still okay. It's not like a parasite that everything is flow, but
So some people it's like
people-
Parasite. If you
Yeah.
have seen that movie and the flooding, for some people it's been like that. So that's really worrying.
And then lots of my friends, they just call me and then, are you okay? And even my family members, are you okay? I saw the news on, and then it was really terrible.
Because we live
So-
near the river.
Yes, but thankfully here in our area had a really big problem about this flooding the water in
Like
this,
years ago, right?
Yes, That's why they prepare really well. So it's okay.
Because our parks didn't flood. They were worried about our parks flooding, but I think because they have in the past,
Yeah.
they didn't now. So that is a little glimpse into our life in Seoul at the moment.
Please subscribe our YouTube channel.
If you haven't already, and you can check out the blog and the social media, and we will see you next time.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Hopefully not underwater. Bye bye.
Wish us good luck.
We're okay.